Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, or welcome to the channel if you're new. And in this video, we'll talk about Loom again. And I wasn't sure if I should make this video because I covered Loom as well. But I felt like covering it again today because I know a lot of you trade it. I know a lot of you are looking at it. And I felt like this morning it was again showing momentum. Like yesterday, it already was showing some momentum. But then it pulled back, also due to some bearish momentum from Bitcoin. And today it's strong again, and it broke above the 28 EMA, and it's by far, at least in my eyes, it's by far not enough to call this a rally or to say Loom is going to rally. But I do think there's a real possibility it will. And that's why I thought it would be valuable. But let me know, right? It doesn't matter. You can be honest. If it isn't valuable, then I know, all right? And then I can change that for the next time. But yeah, I just wanted to start off with that. Now let's get into the analysis. So first of all, I mean, the big possibility, the big chance here, the big potential for Loom is that it will get a second rally. All right. So sometimes when a crypto gets a huge manipulated rally like this, it rallies up again. Not as much as the first rally, but if you compare like a move up to 20 cents, would be huge for Loom right now, would almost be 100%, and in contrast to the initial rally, it wouldn't be that much. So a lot is possible, but the big question is well, will it actually rally? All right, because right now, like it broke above the 28 EMA, in my eyes, that's not enough. Like the main level we talked about yesterday is 12.5 cents. All right, that's a psychological level, it's a normal key level, and it has the 50 EMA. There's a resistance level just above that, around 13.5 cents as well, which might be a struggle, but don't worry, I'll explain how it could go. All right, so that's the main potential. Now, apart from that, I also wanted to take a look at if some liquidity is up there, because then that could really charge the move up. And unfortunately, most of the liquidation levels for Loom are down here, around 9 cents. All right, that's not great, because if there was a lot of liquidity up here, that would have been better, because then you can get some sort of a short squeeze, right? But there's not a lot of liquidity here, a little bit. All right, it could be like here the levels around 11.5 and like 12 cents do have some liquidity, but not that much. All right, like it's kind of the same as this initial rally right here when it first of all went up. I think this was yesterday. Yeah, it was yesterday. All right, and a move like yesterday isn't enough. And apart from that, like we're taking a look at a lot of information. I know, but it's all worth it, believe me. And apart from that, you can see the open interest has actually been growing, and the volume as well. So this is actually quite bullish. This is one of the main reasons why I wanted to make the video, because Loom needs momentum. And momentum, I often say, is how much is traded and how much is open in positions, which is the open interest and the volume. So if this keeps increasing, then Loom will eventually break above 12.5 cents. And what needs to happen for a real rally to happen for Loom is that it breaks above 12.5 cents, then it will find resistance at 13.5 cents, but then it needs to find support at 12.5. All right, so it should not only break above, it should also take a bullish break retest for confirmation. If that happens, it can rally. All right. First price target 15 cents. Second price target right here at 17 cents. And from there, we'll see again. So this is the scenario in which it rallies. Whether this will happen, we'll see today. All right. It depends on the open interest. If this keeps increasing, it will probably happen. If this all of a sudden decreases and we see Bitcoin dropping down, which is a possibility, then it's probably not going to happen. And then sure, Loom might get up there, but then it will just find resistance and slowly drop back down towards liquidity right here around 9 cents, drop down towards 8.5, and then down towards 7 and 7.5. So it all depends on the momentum it gets today. It has to happen today. In the weekend, there's probably not enough momentum or not enough volume. So we'll see. All right. So that's my full take on Loom for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. Lastly, I also have my own premium trading group in which I share my own trades. Also, if I'm entering Loom, I would share my full trade setup in there as well. And you gain access to an amazing community full of traders and my trading guides. So if you're interested in that, consider joining. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.